Hi guys, welcome back to the video. I haven't had motivation to record, but today I do because yeah, there's a 911 here. So obviously we have IB, we got all the guys, we have our favorite G80 M3, and then you got this. This is a Carrera GTS and it looks so sick. This is amazing. Amazing.
The black or black
The B-roll. They say what? B58 is king. 340 with the B58. So this is the Gen 2 or Gen 3. Madness. This guy is 360 camera on there. Yeah. Comment down below if you like B58s. That's crazy. So you guys need to always check on the tires you use. Make sure if you're going to drive a performance car, you have good tires. Yeah, we're done with the oh, you won't get a chance to power. It's so crazy. I'm just realizing that all the cars are Saturn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, here's a Saturn BBM. Here's a Saturn. Actually, Henny's car is Saturn. Yes, madness. The guys, So this is a G80 M3 comp. Today we're focusing on this car. It has upgraded stuff on it. Coming back. As he's going, there's the F-Pace Ram TRX. Thing is really loud. M340 B58. It's a 440i B58. It's a 335. This is the N54. Right, Sammy? Yeah. Let's see. Guys, comment down below what you think of the sound of the S58. Going the other way. You guys like the sound of the S58? Yo! Deadly for a reason. Deadly for a reason. Bro. Bro, they can't flipping tear, bro.
Too much deadly. Too much deadly. Too much deadly.
Yo, I'm impressed with so many cars. This car, I think, has just almost topped it. This car moves really well. So now I got the keys of the G80 carbon fiber steering wheel. Bro, this car is so crazy, and after firing, look at the temp. Still operating temperature. Charlie, you don't get it anywhere. Oh man. And I love the seats. Peanut butter seats. Of the crystallized, no, this is not crystallized one, but still, Charlie. And I believe this has wireless charging. Damn. Oh, I didn't know he had stars in the roof. Deadly, they kill me. See, these are not the carbon bucket seats, but these are the comfort seats. Lovely. Charlie. Yo, today's video is just me praising the G80 M3. Yo, this car has really won my heart. Like, I really love this car already, but it has won my heart extra today. I can't stop smiling. I really can't. I saw the movement of the X5M, but I didn't catch that on camera. This one is a very fast one. It's an SUV. So this is like some of the best machines or cars, vehicles you can get. X5M, tune it, build the daylights out of this, and you can run numbers. You don't have to be the fastest on the road, but this will take you to point A to point B, and still SUV. The X5M, you got the insurance. You can't read it by ear. You're crazy. I off my flash. Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber everywhere. Yeah. So now you can see it. Oh, where do you go? I don't even know what's it.
The real deal.